Oh yeah, so the head is off now, the valve is out. You can see how rusty it is in here. Let's get to the light. You can see how rusty it is. Let's check the valve now. Yes, my workshop is messy, it needs tidying up. It doesn't take long, does it? Question mark, if you'd like to comment on that one. So the pin is out on these, so all I'm going to do is give it a good clean here and here. That's what it looks like in here. Of course I'm reading my manual at the same time. You think, why am I reading my manual when I've been doing mine about 36 years now? But it's always nice to read the manual. You can see what I'm doing, how to take them out, the pin, how to put them back in, how to grind the valves in. Oh, I know all that, but just not to read the manual sometimes. Do you think that? Question mark. Please answer that one. Anyway, let's do the valve now. So we'll give it a good clean and set the clearance. There's no clearance on it at all. Thanks for watching. Bye.